I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard bread. Start by gathering ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs, milk, butter, yeast, and vanilla. Measure precisely and allow milk and butter to warm slightly. Bloom yeast in warm liquid and mix until smooth. Add eggs and knead to a silky dough. Rest, shape with custard filling, proof until puffy, and bake until golden and aromatic. Cool slightly before slicing for best texture. Whisk yolks, sugar, and cornstarch in a bowl while warming milk in a pan. Temper the yolks by adding warm milk slowly, then return the mix to low heat. Stir constantly until the custard thickens and coats the spoon. Remove from heat, stir in butter and vanilla for silkiness, then transfer to a shallow dish to cool. Chill uncovered to prevent condensation and ensure the custard holds shape when rolled into the dough. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and I love it for its clear, calm advice. Think of it as financial custard, comforting and surprisingly practical. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After the first rise, press the dough gently and roll it into a rectangle. Spread a chilled custard layer, leaving a small border to seal. Roll snugly from one short end or braid strips for a decorative loaf. Place seam side down in a loaf pan, cover and proof until puffy. Brush with egg wash for shine and bake until deep golden. Let cool partially so slices hold custard without oozing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.